Get ready to dive into the chilly world of penguins. Join us as we explore the amazing lives of these tuxedo-wearing birds. Penguins live in some of the coldest places on Earth, like the snowy lands of Antarctica. Did you know that there are different types of penguins? They come in all sorts of sizes, colors, and shapes, just like friends in a big penguin family. From the big emperor penguins with their fancy yellow eyebrows to the smaller Adelie penguins with their cool black and white outfits, these birds are like a big happy family, even though they look different. Imagine being a bird that's super good at swimming. Penguins are like underwater superheroes. They have special flippers that work like little paddles, helping them zip through the water super fast. When they want to go deep into the ocean to find yummy fish, they hold their breath and dive down like little submarines. Penguins can dive really deep, even deeper than a grown-up elephant is tall. It's like they have their very own scuba gear. And guess what? They can hold their breath for a long time, like a superhero taking on an underwater adventure. Penguins love their families just like you do. They take care of their babies, which are called chicks. When it gets super cold in the Antarctic, penguin parents use their warm bodies to keep their chicks cozy. It's like giving them a big, snug hug. Penguin chicks have soft and fluffy feathers, and they look like little balls of cuteness. The parents take turns keeping the chicks safe and warm while the other parent goes out to find food. It's teamwork that makes their family strong. Love is in the air for penguins too. They have their own special ways of showing they like each other. For example, Gentoo penguins give pretty rocks to their special someone. They are like shiny tokens of friendship. Adelie penguins are great dancers and singers. When they want to impress their partner, they do a fancy dance that's like a twirl on an icy dance floor. It's their way of saying, "You're special to me." Life in the cold isn't always easy for penguins. They have to be brave and smart to survive. There are big animals that might want to eat them, like seals and birds. Penguins work together to keep safe. When a predator comes near, they huddle up in groups to look bigger and scarier. It's like having a group of superhero friends ready to stand up against any danger. And when it's time to find food, penguins swim together in a line, making it harder for predators to catch them. Penguins are like the superheroes of the ice world. They help keep their home, the icy lands, healthy and happy. When penguins eat fish and krill, they also make special poop called guano. This guano is like magic food for other animals and plants in the ocean. It's like penguins are sharing their superpowers with everyone around them, making sure the whole ice kingdom stays strong and beautiful. Wow, we've learned so much about penguins. They are like real-life superheroes of the ice world, with their cool swimming, clever teamwork, and loving families. Penguins show us how important it is to take care of our planet and all the amazing creatures that call it home. Next time you see a penguin, remember all the incredible things they do in their chilly world. Penguins truly are a world of wonder.